I have 25 CV 16784, Jill Bong versus Douglas County School District. Time set for a hearing on a motion for summary judgment. These matters actually crept up on me. There were some motions that were filed in the interim that needed to be dealt with, and those things, or I should say matters that needed to be dealt with, those things appear to have resolved, but I'm not prepared to move forward on the summary judgment. We're gonna need to set this over. So let's find a date to come back.
Do another 15 minutes, Your Honor.
Oh yeah, maybe 30.
Okay.
We could do June 10th at 11 a.m.
June 10th at 11 a.m. It looks like your mouth is moving, Mr. Murderow, but I can't hear you. Ms. Bong, does that work for you?
Your Honor, if with all due respect, I'm for an undisclosed date at this time, pending my writ to compel your disqualification.
I'm sorry, what's that?
I would like a undisclosed, undetermined date at this time, pending my writ to compel your disqualification for this case, in the interest of judicial economy.
Are you talking about the motion before the circuit court?
I believe I did file a continuance pending my writ for this case.
Is that the one that you filed into this case, or is there something I'm unaware of?
I'm pretty sure I filed it into this case, but it is possible that it might have been filed in a different case. I'm not able to look at the online.
So that motion was denied by Judge Kathleen Johnson on May 13th, 2025.
That motion is statutorily invalid, Your Honor. She did not challenge my good faith. That denial is statutorily invalid, Your Honor. She did not deny. She did not challenge my affidavit. She did not transfer my case to a disinterested judge for a hearing on the issue. She cannot just deny my disqualification like that. That's under 14.250 and 14.260.
Your Honor, I apologize. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm not available on June 10th, unfortunately, because I'm in court in Multnomah County, but I'm available any other day that week. And also, in response to what Ms. Bong is saying, I would ask that the court set a date now for the hearing on this motion. I think this case needs to get decided.
I mean, I would agree. So I don't know, Ms. Bong, there was a motion, there was a petition to the Supreme Court that was denied. There was a motion to disqualify me that was denied, and I think we're ready to move forward on this case.
I don't think so, Your Honor. The motion to disqualify you was not denied. It was defective, and I have leave to amend within 14 days. My 14 days is not up yet, so it is still pending.
Your Honor, if I could just respond, these are issues that Ms. Bong can raise with an appellate court. I think in the trial court, we just need to move forward.
I agree. So
I mean, by all means, but you are not. You don't have jurisdiction over this case. So anything you rule on, I'm going to appeal for your lack of jurisdiction.
That is noted.
I'm going to raise my objection. I'm going to raise my objection for the record right now.
Okay.
June 16th at 4:15.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, was that June 16th?
At 1:15.
I'm
sorry, 4:15.
That works for a defendant, Your Honor.
That works for me. Can we do it remote, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. Once again, I raise my objection on this issue for appeal.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.